Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories. We draw life skills, life lessons, life values from them and become thought leaders. Today we have a short, a funny story. A story of a family of turtles, tortoise. They're naturally slow. And this family of tortoise had 11 of them, joint family. They were really bored eating the same thing every single day. They decided that yes, let's go out for a picnic. And finally, they started planning and discussing and all the thing. In that whole 6 months went away only in planning. They're tortoise, they're turtles. So slowly they decided that we will go to this particular place and we will all have this thing. So finally they decided that okay, what we will do it is let's go to that particular place, and they started fixing their picnic baskets and everything with sandwiches, with juices, and all the different things, salads, the main course, everything. They put everything with towels and all the thing. That took them another 6 more months. Finally, they set on their journey and they started traveling to this particular place. And after 2 years, they finally reached the picnic spot what they wanted to go there. And they were slowly opening their picnic basket. That took them another 3 months. And finally, when they opened, they all looked at each other with shock. And that shock lasted for almost 7 days, 1 week. And they realized that they have not brought salt. Salt is missing. What do? They have a salad, but they don't have salt. So finally, after again 7 days of discussing, they decided that okay, the youngest one will go. The youngest one is the fastest and the slowest. The fastest and the slowest will go and get salt back from home and all that. So they calculated that okay, you'll go, it'll take 2 years. So he's the fastest, it'll take about 1 year. You have to go very fast. You're back in 2 years, we'll all wait. The youngest one said, okay, I'm going, but no one should have any of the sandwiches. Wait for me till I come back. Whatever happens, do not. So everybody promised. They took 3 days to promise. Everybody promised. And finally, this guy, they said, okay, 2 years, you'll be back, you will go and you will come back in 2 years, and finally we can wait. Now the waiting, 2 years became 3 years. 3 years became 4 years. Our stomachs were growling. 5 years. 6 years. Seventh year, finally everybody's stomach was growling. Everybody saying, what is this? We are so hungry. We will starve to death and all that. Finally they decided that okay, something is there, we will all first eat and then we will go and fetch. Where is the youngest one? He's supposed to be back and it's already 5 years behind he is. So let us quickly eat the sandwich. And they opened, and they took 3 days to open the baskets and sandwiches, roll them out. They're about it. Suddenly the young one, he was hiding behind the tree. He said, wait a minute, I know you will not wait for me. That's the reason why I did not go at all. I was hiding behind the tree. I know you will all cheat. And then that is the reason why I did not go. I was just there hiding behind the tree to see what you people were all doing. Simple, fun story. What did you guys learn from that? Simple, short story tells us that do not be a person. There are certain set of people who don't do anything. Please be, because what others will be thinking, what others will be doing, don't be that person. The slow turtle, the fastest turtle was the one who was given a job just because what others are doing, this particular, even the fastest of the turtle became the slowest, waited 7 years hiding. How long somebody can hold on to a promise? So please, there are some people, and there are actually a very large number of people, they'll be always waiting for others. What they will say, what they will do, what they will ask, what they will make judge of, and because of that, these people do not do anything. Do not be that person. Take action. Do your thing. If you're worried about what others are going to say, others are going to ask, or others are going to think about you, and if you do not do, it is your loss. It's your bigger loss. Everybody was hungry, including that youngest one which was hiding. It has given a job, it was supposed to go and bring it, it did not go and bring it. Yes. So don't be that person who is waiting and seeing for everybody else, but you do your work, you do your task.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.